Hello and welcome back to Trinity Stamps. Let's take a close-up look at the Thinking Tree stamp and die set from the Enchanted Woods release. This is a 4x8 stamp set with 13 images and a coordinating die set with 9 dies. There are some images that you can use to extend the top of the tree that do not have dies and are meant to stamp right on the paper. And there are so many cute little images that you can use to create a scene with this gnome and forest tree stamp. Now, this largest stamp is 6¼ inches tall by 3½ inches wide, and there is a die that cuts out only the right side. So I'm going to show you how that works. First, let's take a look at all of these images stamped out on some white cardstock and then colored on that white cardstock. Now you can color these however you like, but I thought you might like to see the exact Copic markers that I used to color mine out, and you could pause it right here if you really wanted to replicate these exact colors. So here's that die that cuts the right-hand side of this tree image. And then here are all the other dies in the set. You can see they cut out all the main images in this set, even the teeny tiny flower, the worm, and the butterflies, and the sentiment. So there are little images that you can use that look like those leaves in the tree. Those do not have dies, and you can stamp those directly, and I will show you that in a sample at the end of this video. Now I'm going to show you this tree. I only cut out one side of it, and I'm going to use my paper cutter to cut away the rest. This is so you can customize this image to fit top to bottom on any size card. Slimline, A7, A2 might be a little small, but you can see here just with a few snips of the scissors, I can make the tree top taller and the grass wider at the bottom, and this is going to fit on my A7 size card. You can see here that I used a window sheet on the front of my card, which allows the scene to carry through on the inside of the card. It's a really beautiful image to color in. I enjoyed coloring it so much, and I love that it has all these cute woodland critters, including a gnome in the set. Here you can see that tree extended to the top and some of those leafy images used to extend it. And here's another card where the image was watercolored and is very beautiful. I hope you got some inspiration for our new Thinking Tree stamp set from the Enchanted Woods collection, and we will see you all again very soon. Bye!